Want more photography website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Have you noticed how a pleasant introduction from the host instantly makes you feel welcome in a new space? Similarly, a catchy welcome message will help you grab the attention of website visitors and create a great first impression for your photography website. There are no rules about how your website's welcome message should be. However, remember that it should resonate with the purpose and aim of the website. This will make it obvious to visitors what they can expect to find on your website and avoid confusion. You can choose something as simple as "hello" and "welcome." Or opt for an attention-grabbing phrase that matches the theme of your website. You can also present a short intro about yourself in this space and briefly summarize what the website is about. So, you can be as creative as you want when preparing a welcome message for your photography website. Nevertheless, the main thing to remember is that your welcome message should match your personality and website design. It should align with your brand while being powerful enough to impress and engage visitors. Here are 7 photography websites with good examples of welcome messages. Use these examples for inspiration to come up with your own unique welcome message for your photography website. And don't bother to note them down as you watch this video. I have listed all the websites in the description below for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. brandytoolphoto.com. Number 2. petermckinnon.com. Number 3. brandonwolfel.com. Number 4. daniloandsharon.com. Number 5. 5yearbiketrip.com. Number 6. thehearns.com. Number 7. Gemma Williams photography.co.uk. When customers visit your website, their main aim is to find out who you are. Your welcome message should ideally meet this need. It should also be reflective of your brand personality and unobtrusive, yet memorable. The websites listed above make this happen with well-crafted welcome messages. Use these as your starting point to come up with an effective welcome message that puts you on the right track to getting noticed by your target audience. If you want to look at more website examples, then I have created a list of 25 websites with great welcome messages. You can find a link to that list in the description below. And if you are wondering how much it is going to cost you to create a photography website, then I have created a detailed tutorial for it too. Click the link that is displaying right now at the top of this video to watch that tutorial. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.